Welcome to another edition of 2-Minute Tuesdays. For this week, let's talk about keeping your bar menu profitable. One of the most important elements of any bar program is menu pricing. The challenge is that fluctuating ingredient costs sometimes make it difficult to stay on top of menu prices. Generally, it's hard to raise menu prices based on cost increases because your guests may not be willing to pay more, and you don't want to constantly print new bar menus if you can avoid it. Today, we're going to be briefly touching on how to quickly check into some of your top-selling products to make sure your current menu prices are generating the profits you need for your business. If they aren't, we're going to cover some simple changes you can make to drive greater profits as soon as possible. First, focus your attention on your top 5 to 10 selling menu items, since that's where the largest opportunity lies. If you don't know this information off the top of your head, which you probably do, then you can check your point of sale system to see what your top selling items were in the last 30 days or so. Next, make sure to update your ingredient costs with the most recent vendor invoices. This is critical because it'll show you what your current menu item profitability is versus what you originally priced it at. Use these newly updated costs to calculate the new cost of goods sold for each of these top-selling items. Then it's time to experiment with opportunities to substitute less expensive ingredients, reprice it, or feature it differently on the menu. If you're finding you're hitting your pricing threshold for the new price year, this is also a great time to start experimenting with different ingredients to bring the overall cost of this drink down while simultaneously increasing the profits. Now, based on any changes you've made, calculate your new expected profits to see how performance compares to this drink's previous profit margin. Even one small change on one drink can bring in thousands more in profits over the course of the year. If there aren't any pricing changes or substitutions you can make based on what you know about your guests or any other limitations, then use this new knowledge about menu pricing to train your staff to best position the business for success by featuring your most profitable menu items more often. Visit us soon at bevspot.com for tons of free resources and blog posts that can help you run a more profitable restaurant. In the meantime, have a great day, and we'll see you next week for another 2-Minute Tuesday.